Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this given radical expression. The square root of 33 square minus 22 square minus 11 square. When I see this expression, I can see there is some sort of pattern. The first term is the addition of next two terms. I will solve this expression by the method of substitution. If I put this 22 equal to A and 11 equal to B, so put 22 equal to A and 11 equal to B. Therefore, 33 equal to A plus B. So this expression, when we write in terms of A and B, this is equal to 33 square is A plus B square. So this is A plus B square minus 22 square is A square minus 11 square is B square under root. This is our formula A plus B square. So this is A square plus B square plus 2AB minus A square minus B square under root. In the next step, this minus A square cancel with this plus A square minus B square cancel with this plus B square. We only left with 2AB. So 2AB under root. So put the value of A and B. A is equal to 22. So 2 times 22 times the value of B is 11 under root. In the next step, this is 2 times this 22. If I write 2 times 11 times 11 under root. In the next step, this is 2 times 11 square because 2 times 2 is 2 square, 11 times 11 is 11 square, and combine the two squares. So 2 times 11 square. This square and this square root will eliminate. So this is equal to 2 times 11. This is equal to 22. So the value of this expression is 22. This is my final answer. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.